I would say you should be charging probably at least £21 an hour if I had to go with £21 an hour, but it will vary depending on the size of the contract.
No, we're real advocates of the real living wage and that operatives workers should be receiving that. They've just announced that it's going up. If we could get everybody on a real living wage across the industry, what do you think the benefits would be to the industry, to a company, and what might some of the challenges be, particularly when submitting tenders?
The challenge is going to be getting people to think that cleaners are worth that much. Trying to get companies to recognize that cleaning is worth that much money per hour is a really difficult sell. The benefit is if you get companies that do believe that, generally speaking, they will experience a better quality service. Because what you'll have is you'll have cleaners that feel more valued. And if they feel valued and they feel important, they will do a better job. And that creates a positive feedback loop because they will get more positive feedback and they will keep doing a better job, so on and so forth. All of the things that you crave as a customer, consistency, reliability, getting things done outside, out mind, having great communication, few errors, operating in the background, all of those things are possible when you pay your cleaners appropriately. If you're going to skimp on paying your cleaners, what do you expect them to do? They're going to be paying minimum wage, which means they can't reward their cleaners appropriately, which means people are going to feel like, oh, I'm minimum wage. Why should I try? Why should I care? If you're going to pay me minimum wage, then I'll do a minimum wage job. Really is like, that's the approach and that's the mindset. And I think that that's a totally appropriate way to think about it because cleaning is an incredibly difficult job. This should be rewarded appropriately. So if you're a company that feels that way, have a look at your budget. Put a little bit more into it. You'll get a lot more in return. And you will also have fewer headaches. You'll have less stress dealing with the company, and you won't have to keep switching. If you're a company that's been switching cleaning companies, trying to find the right one, but you're not willing to pay a little bit more, you're the problem.